Welcome to another episode of Operator Ollie. Today on Operator Ollie, we're going to learn about chainsaws and use a big red wood chipper.
Come on, let's go.
Today we're at Uncle Mario's. Tree that fell down at Uncle Mario's, and we have to cut it up to make firewood. And there's a special surprise for Ollie. There's two surprises. There's one under this sheet hooked up to his trailer. And then this is all of our chainsaws and things you use to cut down trees.
Like this one?
Yeah.
Like this one?
We have a chainsaw
And this one.
and another chainsaw, and they take gas and they use oil to keep the chain nice and lubricated. There's a handsaw. And these are our files. This file makes the chainsaw sharp. And we use a screwdriver. And we use sockets to tighten the chain. And then we have safety gear. We have a pair of earmuffs for each of us. And gloves. And what do you think's in here?
Let me open it. Paper. A brand new chainsaw. It's a brand new chainsaw.
Look!
It's a brand new chainsaw. It's a brand new chainsaw. It's a brand new chainsaw. We have both chainsaws.
Same. Okay, let's teach this how to sharpen it. Okay. So to sharpen the chainsaw, this file goes in here.
I better do mine.
Okay, sharpen yours.
This one is old tripe.
Good. Okay, and then chainsaws get oil and gas.
Mine is good.
Starts? Maybe yours doesn't need any gas.
This one.
Chainsaw gas in. And so this is where you pump it.
Mine.
Yeah, prime it.
With this.
This is the choke. The blue choke helps start it. And then to run it, you push this, and this is the go faster throttle. So you the same one. So how do you start it? There's no key. What do? You pull this, and that starts it. Want the flamingo or the robot earmuffs?
The robot.
Robots?
Yeah.
And I can wear the flamingos?
Yeah.
Thank you.
You put right on.
Okay. And you need your gloves. Good. Let's go pet stuff. Right, so yesterday we did all the cutting, and today we need to chip. We take these branches and we put them in a wood chipper. You want to show them the wood chipper?
Yeah. This where the truck hooks up.
So it hooks up to the truck and it's on a trailer. This is a Barretto. Can you say Barretto?
No, I can't.
You can't? It's a Barretto wood chipper with a Briggs & Stratton motor. So, how do you think we start it?
It's key.
With the key. And when it's cold, we need to pull the choke, and that'll help us start it. Before we start it, we need to check the oil.
This one?
Exactly. Good job.
Good.
That's where you dump oil in if it needs some.
It they got some?
It has some. This is a fuel filter.
Yeah.
And this is an hour meter. It keeps track of how long the engines run. This one. Go under.
Under?
Yeah. Good job. So what's this?
This.
It's a battery
This
to
one.
help start the motor. This is the fuel tank.
Let's check it.
You want to check it? That's where the gas goes.
Try it for me. There's some in it.
Perfect. Screw it back on. There. This is where the hydraulic oil goes.
There's some in it.
There's some in there, and then it goes through all these hoses to turn a big wheel in there.
I want to see it.
This is where the sticks go. Sticks go in here,
Big one.
big ones, and then they go into this, and it grinds them up into chips, and then the chips come out right there. Okay, what do you think has been under your sheet this whole time?
Let me open it.
Open it up. So we know about your tractor. What do you think's in there? Wow!
What is this?
It's your very own wood chipper. We made a custom trailer.
This is to get.
That's your wood chipper. So we'll put leaves in here. You want to try it?
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, that's a perfect spot. Let's chip some leaves. Put your earmuffs on. You want the robots or the flamingos?
Robot.
All right.
Is it gonna be loud?
Look in there. I'm going to turn it on for you. Okay. thumbs up, subscribe,